Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for you. The market's a little higher today. Still some hangover from Friday. We got some kooky numbers kind of. They were looking for a reduction in beans and got an increase. And they were looking for an increase in corn and got a reduction. So corn did trade higher Friday. We followed through some more today, up another 10 cents in cash corn. But let's take them in order. Cotton today took a pretty good little spill. A correction, I guess, down 100, 125 early on, and it looks like the market was destined for a downer day. But here late in the day, and we haven't quite closed yet, the market's actually positive. New crop December's, back above its negative levels and trading positive. So that certainly, clearly underscores the notion that it's a bull market. Whenever you have an early break like that and you're able to come back on buy-in, that's pretty good. There was a story out from this crowd out of Singapore that said there's still some more upside to go in cotton. They were talking about a 10% move from the low, so you're talking about another, I guess, 5 or 6 cents up, maybe, as long as China continues to buy cotton. And, of course, that is the case. And, of course, at any given moment, she could quit doing that because allegedly she has all this cotton in storage. Getting back over to the grains today, we getting some more follow-through on corn. Of course, February is always a terrible month, seems like, for corn. So we did break the entire month, but now we're coming up as we're getting to move some emphasis back to this country. We're going to start thinking about acres and yield. And end of this month, we do get the planted acres numbers out. But nonetheless, again, corn is stronger today. Actually, beans are stronger today. Technically, there's some stuff that says we might be trying to make some kind of short-term cycle high in here on the corn this weekend. So we'll see if that is indeed the case. New crop corn can certainly run back close to $6, I would think, in that area. We'd be cash pricing some to that end, and maybe cover those with some call options. We'll see. Wheat looks pretty good to me. I'm almost tempted to buy wheat, although I don't want you to buy wheat because you're a grower. But we do have some technical things here that looks like wheat would want to try to turn up a little bit, at least into this coming weekend, and trade up. We're about to really, before too long, we'll be in harvest, and we'll see what the crop begins to look like as it emerges. And, of course, there's a lot of feeling that was very not enough snow this winter, and that the crop never really got fully established. So you could see wheat have a little 40, 50 cent rally in here to me. Fuel today, kind of everywhere. Dollar was up a little bit, so it did put a little scrunch on fuel, but that's okay. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.